Before we dive into building the store, the first thing we need to do is sign up for Shopify. To make things easy and to support the channel, just head over to ecomsensei.com/Shopify. This is my affiliate link, and it gives you a special offer, a free trial, plus your first 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. Once you're on that page, enter your email, click Start Free Trial, and follow the steps to set up your store. Shopify will ask a few basic questions about your business. Just answer what you can, and then it'll drop you right into your dashboard. Before we install the theme, it's important to first add the products we'll be featuring in our store. This way, when we start customizing the design later on, we'll already have content to work with, like product images, titles, and prices, which makes the whole setup process a lot easier and more visual. In your Shopify dashboard, look for the Products tab on the left. Then click Add Product. Here you'll enter the product name, write a short description, upload a few images, and set the price. You'll also want to scroll down and adjust things like inventory tracking, variants, and shipping options if you need to. If you've only got a few items, you can just add them manually like this. But if you have a big product catalog, Shopify makes it super easy to upload everything at once using a CSV file. That's actually what I'm doing here. I'm importing my product list via CSV, and it might take a few moments, so just hang tight while everything loads in the background. Once your products are imported, the next step is to organize them. Head over to Collections from your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll group similar products together to make browsing easier for your customers. Next, make a limited edition collection for exclusive designs or time-sensitive releases to create urgency and highlight rarity. Now create a best-selling collection. This is a great way to highlight the watches that are already popular with your customers, adding social proof and encouraging more sales. Finally, set up an editor's picks collection where you can feature hand-picked styles or your personal favorites to guide your customers. Once each collection is created, assign the appropriate products and hit Save after each one.